guys, it's Millie. I'm just going to pop together a beautiful little sunflower bouquet. These are so beautiful. Sunflowers are the happiest flower on earth. They follow the sun, a bit like us on a summer holiday. So let's just get into it and I'll make up a pretty little bouquet and show you what it looks like at the end. So I'm just going to use a few different kinds of foliages here. You want the sunflowers to speak for themselves, so I'm not going to compromise those with another flower or anything like that. I'm going to throw in a little tiny bit of kangaroo paw, and that will just highlight the colour of the sunflower. So we're making our little nest base for the sunflower. Now, I've started that wrong, so I'll start again. I'm going to use this big piece actually in the middle because I want it to sort of be a dome. I don't want it to be a flat arrangement. I want it to kind of be a little bit round. So use this foliage in the middle. Keep cleaning off anything that's going in the water. You don't want that to stink up. A little bit of this beautiful sea star fern. That's going to help me hold the shape of everything. Some gorgeous little copper beech. That'll help pop them off. And then I'm going to start dealing with these sunflowers. Now sunflowers, they move with the sun, so their heads are never going to be straight up and down on a stem. So you're just going to have to play with them in your arrangement or your floral just to get them into a happy spot. I've got two varieties of sunflowers here. I've got the Teddy Turbo and I've just got the normal pollen-free black scented sunflower. So I'm going to pop the little tiny one up the top to give it the little hello up there. And then I'm just going to move these around and help them find their shape and their position. Crossing it over a little bit at the bottom, just so they don't sit too flat in. I want them to sit out just a little bit. I'm going to fill those holes there with the little bit of kangaroo paw. Those are there, quite gorgeous. I'll start using some of this kangaroo paw, feeding it down through the middle there, putting it in your hand. I'm going to put a little one down low there. Up here we need some lovin', so I'm going to put a little kangaroo paw and then I'm going to put another sunflower there, I think. No, I'm dropping that sunflower down and I'm going to use the littler sunflowers in that little hole there, just like that. And then I'm going to start building the dome, so it's nice and round, so it looks good any which way you look at it. Now, so just popping in a few more stems. I'm just going to have to pivot that in my hand for a second because they're massive stems. I've got teeny tiny hands. Sunflowers last really well. The secret to sunflowers is they drink a lot. So they'll drink all the water in your vase. You're just going to have to keep topping that up. So keep an eye on them. I just need a little, that's the perfect one, just to sit up the top in that hole there. Just going to pop a little bit more foliage around the base. Turn it round, have a spin, make sure it's pretty from every angle. Last little bit of kangaroo paw. We'll get it to caress each side of that little sunflower there. And I'll pluck that one off, it's doing no good for anyone. And that is it. What I'll do now is give you a good cut. Sunflowers look thick to cut, but they're super easy. Oh, I've lost one. I'll pop it in a second. That's this guy here. Now you can cut them as long or as short as you want. I know that they're a very top heavy flower. Sorry, I'm just going to grab some ribbon. They're a top heavy flower, so the taller you are, the more chance you have of them toppling over. So, me, keep the center of balance quite well. Keep them tall if you want, but make sure that the vase is very, very strong and very, very thick and sturdy, because you don't want that kaplunking anywhere. So I'm just going to tie this real quick. Trim off my leaves. That would be below water level. Make sure my stems are all nice and neat. Turn it around. Make sure you think it's pretty from every angle. This one's just going to pop out. I've laid it flat on the table, so It was a little bit flat there. But have that in your little vase, on your kitchen bench, in your house, anywhere. It will make you smile for days. Because remember, flowers make people happy. And sunflowers are the happiest flower on the planet. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you get yourself some flowers soon, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.